Welcome to Channel Dinar Exchange. Chronicles today marks a historic milestone for Iraqi Dinar IQD investors worldwide. After years of anticipation, discussions, and countless updates, the long-speculated revaluation, RV, of the Iraqi dinar has finally occurred. This event isn't just a financial adjustment. It's a transformative moment poised to reshape Iraq's economic future and significantly impact global investors. Unveiling the new exchange rate. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, has officially announced the new exchange rate for the Iraqi dinar. Reports suggest the rate is remarkably higher than anyone expected. Current estimates indicate the dinar is now valued at approximately $3 per IQD, with some insiders hinting a temporary surge to as much as $9 before stabilizing. For years, the IQD traded at a fraction of a penny, with its official rate hovering around 1/16th of a US cent. This drastic revaluation opens unprecedented financial opportunities, turning years of patience into life-changing gains for those who invested in the currency. The Iraqi dinar's long journey. The story of the IQD has been a tumultuous one. Since the fall of Saddam Hussein's regime in 2003, the currency's value has been a subject of debate and speculation. Despite efforts by the CBI to stabilize the currency, political instability and economic challenges kept it undervalued for decades. Recent years, however, have seen Iraq take significant steps toward economic reform. Under Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani's leadership, Iraq has strengthened its financial systems, boosted oil exports, improved international relations. These developments have set the stage for today's historic revaluation. Why now? Key factors behind the RV. Several factors contributed to the timing of this revaluation. 1. Oil revenue. Surplus. Iraq's booming oil exports have created a surplus in foreign reserves, allowing the CBI to support a stronger currency. Second, economic reforms. The Iraqi government has implemented policies to curb inflation, stabilize its banking sector, and reduce corruption, creating a conducive environment for a revaluation. Third, global support, backing from international organizations like the International Monetary Fund, IMF, has bolstered confidence in Iraq's economic recovery. What this means for IQD holders. For those holding IQD, this is a transformative moment. Imagine an investment at the previous rate of 1/16th of a penny. With today's $3 per IQD rate, a $1,000 investment could now yield $3 million. However, timing is critical. The opportunity to exchange IQD at its peak value may be short-lived, as financial institutions work to manage liquidity and prevent market instability. Preparing for the exchange. To make the most of this opportunity, consider these steps. 1. Verify the rate. Confirm the latest exchange rates through trusted financial institutions or the CBI. Avoid rumors or unverified sources. Second, plan your exchange. Decide how much Iraqi dinars to exchange initially. Some investors may choose to retain a portion for potential future gains. 3. Choose reliable institutions. Use reputable banks or authorized exchange centers equipped to handle large transactions. Institutions like Wells Fargo have been highlighted as key players. 4. Consult experts. Seek financial advice to understand tax implications and explore reinvestment opportunities. 5. Stay vigilant against scams. Be cautious of fraudulent schemes offering unrealistic returns. Stick to official channels. Iraq's plan to manage the RV. The CBI is taking a cautious approach to ensure the dinar's value remains stable. Drawing lessons from past revaluations, such as Kuwait's in the 1990s, Iraq aims to avoid hyperinflation or market chaos. Key measures include phasing out high-denomination notes, like 25,000 Iraqi dinar bills, in favor of smaller denominations to facilitate everyday transactions, monitoring currency supply and demand to prevent value spirals. Reactions on the ground for Iraqi citizens. The revaluation is more than an economic event. It's a symbol of hope and progress. Many have already begun exchanging old notes for smaller denominations at local banks. While optimism is high, some remain cautious, remembering past challenges and speculations. Transparency from the CBI and the government will be crucial in maintaining public trust. Global implications. The revaluation's impact extends beyond Iraq. International investors, especially those in the US, Europe, and the Middle East, are closely watching this development. A stronger IQD could lead to increased trade opportunities with Iraq, greater economic stability in the Middle East, potential ripple effects on other regional currencies. What's next for investors? For IQD investors, now is the time to strategize. Short-term versus long-term gains. Decide whether to cash out now or hold on to your investment for potential future increases. Diversify investments. Use your gains to build a diversified portfolio, including stocks, real estate, or precious metals. Stay informed. Follow reliable updates on exchange procedures and market trends. Understanding the risks. As with any investment, the RV carries risks. Market volatility, geopolitical uncertainties, and policy changes could all impact the dinar's value. Careful planning and realistic expectations are essential. Final thoughts. A new era for Iraq and investors. The revaluation of the Iraqi dinar is a turning point, both for Iraq and the global investment community. It reflects the resilience of Iraq's economy and its potential for growth. For investors, it represents a rare and significant opportunity. What's your perspective on the revaluation? Do you see this as a new beginning for the IQD, or are there challenges ahead? Let's discuss. If you found this article helpful, stay tuned for more updates on the IQD and other financial developments. Together, we can navigate this historic moment wisely.